Hi, today we're going over the assembly and installation of the Deer Shield Super Pro by BirdGuard. We're going to start by putting the mounting bracket on the back of the control box. Lay it on its face, line up the holes, and insert the screws. The control box can be mounted on a post, the side of a building, or on a pole. A U-bolt is included. Simply insert the U-bolt from the back and install the nuts. Your Deer Shield Super Pro use a PA-style horn to reproduce the low-frequency sounds that the deer make in the wild. They're going to be positioned around the perimeter of the property with the sound projecting in the direction that the deer come from to create a defensible barrier. The deer will hear the sound and think that there's something bad going on, and they will move on and not even enter your property. The Deer Shield Super Pro comes with one speaker. You can get 3 additional speakers for a total of 4. To install the speakers, first, remove the access panel from the bottom. Plug the speaker wire into the speaker jack, starting with number 1. The speaker select switch regulates 1 speaker, 1 and 2, or 1 through 4. Set it accordingly. Your Deer Shield Super Pro can operate off of an AC power adapter, deep cycle 12-volt battery with or without the optional solar panel. Both install the exact same way. Take the power cord and plug it into the power jack. The wires run through this split grommet. It keeps the moisture and insects out. Take the access panel and fit it in place. The sound card contains the deer sounds. These 8 switches correspond to the individual sounds. The 5 switches below are for the operational settings: time off interval, daytime, nighttime, or 24-hour, and the randomization function. The sound volume should always be on high for maximum protection. This has been the assembly instruction for the Deer Shield Super Pro by BirdGuard.